Sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yardy Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we have one more video to put out for you guys. So this one is different, and as you know, me now I'm gonna do my things them natural or straight yardy type of food, right? So hubby saw this at our Canadian superstore here, and he's like, what? Rice and what is rice? They actually call it rice and kidney beans mix, but we know rice and peas as rice and peas, not rice and peas and kidney bean mix. But anyway, I have a few people that I showed this like with pictures and stuff like that, and they say, you know, I wonder how it tastes, you know, cause me like, come on man, like listen, I'm probably gonna laugh after this too, but me go try it and make you know, because me not do my thing like this. Me boil my peas straight from that, and me do my coconut milk and everything straight from scratch. So everybody know, every yard is supposed to know that, you know what I mean? But I guess this is for the non-Jamaicans or the Jamaican that has a Jamaican background type of thing and don't know how to cook rice and peas. But I'm gonna try this for you guys and let you know how it is, because but I'm not kind of give it any. Me not even know if it's say people. Me not even know if it's say about this. But it's Grace product. You know, say Grace is a big brand in Jamaica. But me gonna give it a try, showing how it tastes. Well, I don't know how it tastes, but I gotta give it a try and let you know how it tastes, and you will see how it come out as well. They have different type. I think they have seasoned rice, and they call it different thing to me. I don't know if the camera go focus for you to see. Yeah, there we go. So this is how the package look like. This is all right here. That's all that's there. I think I bought this for probably like about $3 at the superstore. About $3. So that's all you're getting in there. You know what I mean? Like this is like a one-person pot type of thing. Don't know how it look inside. This is the first time I ever try something like this. Me don't know if me not think I'm gonna try it again, right? And it's also, me just noticed this, microwavable. But look on this though, Jesus. It's microwave. You see me not even can say it. Microwavable. So let's get into the details. What are the things that it's needed to make this rice and kidney beans mix? So what is needed is 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of margarine. I can't believe it's butter, not advertising. And what else? And just this package. So that's all it need: water, margarine, and just this package. So it details, you know, we Jamaican, we hardly measure anything, and you know, well, them have a idea of how they want this to be cooked. So let me tell you how to cook it. It said in a medium sauce, bring water, margarine, and package just to a boil. So basically you just put the water in the pot, and I'll show you how to do it, and just pour the container in and just put it on there and just bring it to a boil, and probably you have to turn it down. Cover and let stand 3 to 5 minutes before serving. Sauce will thicken upon standing. Makes 4.5 cup of serving. Lord Jesus, it's a look at something I make 4.5 cup. We'll see, probably it will swell. So yes people, tell me your thoughts about this, and please don't put it in your head. Don't think this is what I cook here. No. I cook original straight from yard. I got my two cups of water here. I think it's a little bit than 2 cups of water, and I look at it than 2 cups. Let me throw it some. Yep, that's 2 cups. So I'm making sure that I'm following everything that is in here. So if there's any screw up, if any taste bad, it's not because I did not follow everything that is on the directions, you know. So okay, so 2 cups of water. I have my little sauce. Oh Lord Jesus, I make a poly pot. We have 2 cups of water. Well, I have 2 cups of water here. I have my little saucepan that I'm going to use here, and I have margarine. So I'm just gonna pour the water in. And they said 1 tablespoon of butter, margarine, but anyway, it's the same thing, right? Similar. That's much butter. That's a lot of butter still, but anyways, as I said, I'll leave out not noted. Okay, and then just the package. So we have water, butter, and then we're just gonna put the package in here. They didn't even tell. Hold on, let me look. It said bring to boil still. It didn't even say how to, so I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put it on medium heat. Let me just cook my regular rice. So before I pour it out, people, let me show you the smell. It smells like season, but it don't smell like. So if you can see it in there, if this thing focus, so you can see it. That's how it look in there, with a little bit of red peas in there, kidney beans, that's what them call it. So this is how it look after I pour it in. I'm just gonna use my fork, and just stir it up a little. It says 2 cups of water in it. Me no go less or me no go anymore. Did the right amount that they said. But anyways, let me drop this on the fire. I'll show you while before it simmer down and let you know how it is and how it smell and stuff like that. So come back here because I really want to see how this tastes and see how this look. Let's come back. Okay guys, so it is on here for about 6 minutes now, and it's on number 3, so a little bit past less than medium, and I guess it's gonna start simmering now. So this is how it look. I'm going to stir it a little bit because to see if it's sticking in the bottom. Okay, so it's not sticking or anything like that. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it properly or not. It smells okay, but the seasoning is pretty strong. To me, the smell of the seasoning would remind me of one of those box noodle soup. That's how it smells to me. Yeah, like yes, definitely like one of those bad noodle soup that you. It's probably gonna simmer down now, and as I said before, I turned the stove down as well. Let's leave it at about 2 here. Yeah. Alright, so we finished now, and I finished steam. This is how it look. I think I let it on. I would make it stay too long, but anyways, this is how it look. Finish, water dry out and everything like that. You can turn it off now. Sun low, mix it up. And as I said, it don't smell like a regular rice and peas. It just smell like one of those bag noodles or cup noodle. But I'm going to taste it. I'll make you know how it tastes. Let's take this off now and just put it on a plate. Alright everyone, so we finished making the Grace Caribbean combo rice and red kidney beans mix. So this is how it look when it finished, and it's not shelly but anyway, it's not too shelly, but it looks good and everything. I have not tasted yet, and as I said before, the smell just reminds me of like a pot noodle, one of those bag noodles or cup soup smell, right? So the only thing, as I said before, we have in there, I just put 1 tablespoon of butter into it and 2 cups of water, and then I just pour in the package and just let it steam down, and that's about it. So let's give it a try and I'll tell you how it tastes. This is the first time I go taste this. Oh yeah, let's see. So show you how it look. So it's not like, it's okay for like rice or what you're cooking. You have to know how to cook rice. It's not soft or anything like that, which is a good thing. So that's how it looks. Let's taste it. Let's taste this and I'll tell you how it is. First thing it is a little salty, not crazy salt, but it has salt into it. Don't taste that it has sugar into it at all. The peas are good. They're not overcooked. They're just right. Taste spice into it. Taste a little bit of pepper. Taste a little bit of pepper into it. But this, as I said before, it does, even though I said it smells like a bad noodle soup seasoning, it kind of has that taste. It's not like our regular seasoning that we would normally use. It's okay. They could have done better. or just stick to people just making it the old-fashioned way of boiling the peas and stuff like that. Some people use canned peas, you can do so as well, but this is my review. Focus nothing. My review of the Grace Caribbean combos, rice and red kidney beans. As I said before, they also have different types. So that's it, guys, for this one. Tell me if you like it. Tell me in the comments down below. Let me know if you have tried it before and how did you like it. If it's good to you, let me know. And yes, if you want to see more videos like this, I can actually buy the other types and try it out as well and let you know how it is. So yes, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. Alright, so thanks for watching. I will see you later.